Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Plan With Me. So today we actually have the Galaxy Plans kit. I actually just grabbed the Essential kit, which is the 4-page kit. And I also grabbed the date headers. They come with 2 weeks worth, and then I also grabbed the glitter headers as well. And the Essential kit that I made is foiled. Now this page is like one of the new pages that come foiled. This page did not come foiled before, like last year. The only page that would come foiled was the full boxes. You can see those on the website, but sometimes it's just easier to see them on video versus, like photo. I'm gonna get started and I'll see you in the voiceover. Alright, so full disclosure, I totally meant to upload the spread last week, but of course I staggered the wrong week, which is why a different video went up instead. And there's 2 Plan With Me's back to back. But let's just consider that a bonus. I did notice early on I was in the wrong week though, so I kind of went really broad when I was putting things down. But you'll see what I mean as I work on them. Basically, I tried to put even amounts of things in the columns. So all the days have a full box, a checklist, half boxes, and quarter boxes. And then I filled in the spaces in between, which I think came out really well at the end because I wasn't really thinking exactly my plans, in the foreseeable future when I did this originally. And I think that kind of helped not overthink things like I do sometimes and just put things down, and it still worked out in the end. So if you're overthinking things too, like I do sometimes, maybe putting things down and just making it look however you want first might work for you. So anyway, back to planning. I have gotten into the rhythm of working on things daily, but also moving from tasks if I need a change of pace. So if I'm working on school things, I will try not to do more computer work that day. So I'll either read or do crafty things. And I think that's been working so far, at least enough that I won't get burnt out as much. Because before, I would be working on the computer, working on design work, and then working also on the computer, for school, and trying to do so many things at once that it's just so much computer time and hours. So I've been trying to I'm still leaving design work towards the end of the day when I watch a movie or something, but I've been trying to grab my iPad more often as well, just so I kind of switch it up and not go on the computer solely. So that's kind of how I've been planning my days for the week. Also, I do have a car appointment on Wednesday. I did write that up at the top of my week. I kind of did leave all the half boxes at the top because of that. That way I know that if there's something specific I really do need to do that day, that goes up at the top. So Wednesday I do have an appointment, and it's basically the first thing I'm just going to do that day. And because I don't know how long that will take, I left that day as an editing day. That way I can either do edits for TikTok or YouTube, so I can do that with my phone or laptop, just depending on how long that takes specifically. I'm not even sure. That's basically what's been going on for things. I do know that this Plan With Me is going up on Tuesday rather than Monday. I actually prioritized orders on Monday because of the fact that it was the Easter sale that I had this weekend. So I was trying to work on as many orders as I could. I think I literally have maybe a handful of orders left that are actually going to go out today, and then I'm zeroed out because I was working on those nonstop this weekend. Just as an FYI on things. There is $2 Tuesday next week. I did write that down for this week, saying that I have to finish working on those. But if you have any suggestions for $2 Tuesday, make sure you leave that in the comments down in the description. I do have a few things that people have been wanting. Some people have been asking for, darker kits. I was trying to bring out a bunch of spring kits though. So I do have some that I have been working on. They will be coming out maybe soon, but I'm not really sure when because I might have to stagger them into either the summer releases. In case I do have a summer kit, I'll probably add in a darker kit as well. That way you have 2 options to choose from that day, but I'm not really sure when because I was trying to get out all of the spring kits and stuff. I think I do have a couple more spring kits to release, and then we're gonna go on to summer stuff. So just as an FYI, it's probably going to be in like the next month or so. I'll see. Hopefully I can do that. Anyway, I do have lots of things coming up soon. So yeah, I'm just letting you guys know what's going on. I do have photos and stuff that I really need to get back to it. I've been really bad at social media lately, mainly because I like keep forgetting to post. I'm like, okay, I need to post this day, and I just never post it. So I'm going to try to get better. So I think what I'm going to work on this week during like my downtime to actually like edit and make sure that they get posted, that things get posted, because I always forget, and I might have to put an alarm on my phone or something to remind myself to post something, as well as the ones that I get scheduled. So either an alarm to remind myself to go take a picture of something so I can post it, or, you know, already have it pre-made so it gets posted automatically, and that's just a problem. Okay, and that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos and everything. In case you are wondering, this is the Galaxy Plans kit. It is in the shop. I will link this kit down in the description, and then anything I used as usual with like the planner and stuff. But that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, everyone.